Good morning, everyone.
Morning.
Good morning.
Morning.
Good morning. Good morning, Mansi. Good morning, Abhimanyu. Good morning, Hari. And good morning, everyone. Cool. Where we are yesterday, what we did, what we learned.
We started Linux operating system basics.
Correct. Okay, means minor overview we have taken in the yesterday's session. Correct. Cool. Chalo, let's come to the actual point where exactly the syllabus is. If you will come to the website www.clouddevops.com, there is an option will be there, join current batch 35. If you will click here, you will be landed into the actual page of the program which we are doing in the next for the next 2.5 months. Okay. Here is the syllabus. If I will click on the syllabus link, you will able to see that what exactly we have to learn today or what exactly we have learned yesterday. Okay. This is the day 5, but actually we are running a little bit late. So we are here in the yesterday's session. We just take the overview of the Linux, right? That's it. Nothing else. Are you agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Cool. Okay. And I message one thing into the WhatsApp. Okay. The message says that today we will create a Google Cloud account. Guys, if someone is not yet available with this, please try to arrange, because at the end of the session or hour around 9, we will try to create a Google Cloud account, and we need a Visa card or any of the card which has an international transaction enable, so that with the help of that you will get a one Google Cloud account and you can practice from today onwards everything into the Google Cloud itself. Okay. And you will get an opportunity to explore the Google Cloud options as well. Cool. So my personal suggestion is at least create an account by today itself so that your learning will get start. Agree? Because theory will not help much. Theory will help only to clear the interview. But in the real time, we have to work in the real time to perform the activities. Are you agree with my point? Yes or no?
Yes.
Everyone, right? Cool. Okay. So this is a prerequisite. I hope you all are into this community. Okay. Whoever are the registered members, they are already into this WhatsApp group. Okay. And if anyone of you has been missed by any reason, you can let me know. I will add you. Okay. Cool. Now we are here, and in the Linux, we have to start the things. Okay. So let's come here. Yep. Okay. Yesterday we see what is operating system. Operating system, we can say middle system software, which between hardware and applications. Okay. He will consume the resources. He will help operating. He will help application to communicate with the hardware and utilize the hardware resources. Simple. Okay. That is the work of operating system. In the yesterday class, we have already started the Linux. Linux is open source. The code itself is available into the GitHub. It's developed by the community members. It has been developed by some person in the starting, but after that, it has to be taken care by the community members. Okay. It's a kernel. It's used for the computer, servers, mainframe, and mobile devices. I have given the link also where the code of Linux is available. You are feel free to download it. I will teach you I already teach you in the last class, but you can able to see it again how exactly we can download it. Linux, while Linux is popular, it's completely free of cost. You don't have to pay anything. It's completely open source. You can download the code, you can customize the code, you can contribute into the Linux repo as well, or you can create your own Linux operating system or kernel as well, as per your choice. It is very, very secure as compared to another operating systems. Okay, or especially with the Windows, it's very, very secure. Stability wise or performance wise is very, very good as compared to another operating system. Okay, that's why this operating system or this kernel is getting used primarily as a servers into the any of the MNCs or projects. Okay. Cool. We already compare it. What is Linux and what is Windows? Windows is the most popular, simplest operating system. People have adopted it who know only English. Okay. But for the Linux, we need a little bit minor training is required. Okay. Because we have to deal or we have to run the Linux with the help of some commands. So you have to learn the commands, then only you can able to use the Linux operating system. I hope you are agree. Whatever we have seen in the last class, correct? Yep. Yes, no.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Cool. Okay, let's go more deeper into it. Linux and Windows comparison. Linux is open source. Windows is not open source. You will not able to see the code of the Windows. You have to purchase the license, then only you can use it. Efficiency wise, Linux is very good as compared to Windows. Linux use forward slash, it should look like this. Windows use backward slash, it should look like this. Linux is highly secure as compared to Windows, and Windows provide less security as compared to Linux. But popularity out of these two, We as a human being, as our previous experience, we may say that Windows is a popular operating system, but that's not correct. Linux is the popular operating system in IT, in servers. Agree? Yes or no? Yes, no, please.
Agree, sir.
Cool.
Yep.
Thank you. Guys, is that possible? Some people will switch on the camera. It will be more interactive. Okay. Please, it will be more helpful for you and me also. Okay. Because we all are here for the learning purpose. Okay? Now, there are multiple reasons or multiple ways where we can create a Linux operating system for the learning purpose. I would like to take very simple approach in the starting of the session, and within 10 minutes, we will go into the actual virtual machine creation on the Google Cloud. I have a one approach. If you will feel that, sir, I don't have the credit card, I don't have anything, but how can I learn the Linux in my local machine as well? Possible. Okay. We have a software called Mobile Stream. You can go into this link. I'm giving you this link. Everyone, please be ready. We have to download this software so that you can start learning Linux from today itself on our local machine itself. I given the link into the chat box. This link, if you will come here, it has a two options, a home edition as well as professional edition. Home edition is completely free and it has this many features, X server, SSH, remote RDP, VNC, and so many features are available, which we can use as per our requirement. I click on the download now. As soon as I click on the download now, you will able to see that, yes, there is an option. Again, two option will come, portable edition or installer edition. Portable edition means you don't have to install anything into the machine. Okay. You can directly run it. Means directly binary files you will get it. You just have to click and the binary file will be get downloaded and you can utilize it or you can use it. Okay. And this will be best if you are using the office laptop because it doesn't require any installation. It will be very, very helpful for you. If you will click here, as soon as you will click here, one software will be get downloaded around 40 MB. It will take around 1 or 2 minutes. I want you all to download the software in your machine. Please come into this page, click on this link and the software will be downloaded in your machine. And as soon as the software will be downloaded, please let me know. I will help you out. Means I want you to share the screen and install in front of everyone or run in front of everyone in your machine, not my machine, because my machine to everything will work. I want the things to work in your machine. Agree? Yes, no?
Yes.
Please. So who want to share the screen? Please let me know. Guys, take as the opportunity fast.
I'll share, sir.
Akshay. Okay, good.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm stopping my screen. Okay. I'm giving you the access. Akshay, is that downloaded in your machine?
Yeah, I have started.
Okay. Let it. Whoever has downloaded first, you can share the screen.
Oh.
Okay. If it downloaded, Akshay, you can. Anyone? Fast,
Because
fast.
actually I have downloaded and installed already.
I think that's okay. It's okay. Yeah. Someone else, please.
It's going on still
Okay,
downloading.
fine.
It's downloading, sir.
Okay, fine. Akshay, Mansi, whoever has downloaded, you can share the screen so that we will show or we will teach to everyone else. Yep. Great.
Yeah, it's done. Can
Okay, yeah, Vinod, go share your screen. Yep. Guys, we are able to see the Vinod screen. Good, Vinod. Okay, Vinod, yes. Vinod has already shared the screen. That's okay. Vinod, yeah, you have come into that. Vinod, better. Wait 1 second. Go to the downloads folder. Go to the download folder. Yes, and unzip it, please. Guys, you will get this type of a compressed file. You have to unzip it. Yes. Cool. Please extract all. Extract all is the option. Fourth option is correct. Yes. Extract. Yeah. Now the extraction of this software has been done. Okay. Now, guys, just see that we have just extracted the software and just double click on it. Yes, Mobile Stream Personal Edition. Yes, just double click on it. And as soon as you will double click, it's done. You don't have to do anything. It's a binary file. Just double click and it will open and everything will work. Yes. Cool. Yep. And make a full screen, please. Yep. Guys, you're able to see we just double click. The software has been opened. And based on your choice, light and dark, you can choose anything. Just click on the light and just start the local terminal. Correct. As soon as you will local terminal, you will start. Your Linux terminal has been started. Allow. Now you can run some Linux command into this place as well. Okay, means whatever the basic command we are there, you can learn or you can start from today itself on from in this place itself. Just type, guys, speak up any of the Linux command, basic Linux command. Yep, he knows.
ls.
ls, type it, enter. pwd,
Who am I?
who am I? Yes. who, who am I? Just type w and enter. Okay, command not found, who. Yep, okay. Means what exactly it is, I would like to say that commands are working here. Are you agree? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Means you can start the things from today itself, from now itself. Cool?
Yes.
Everyone, how many people has done this? Can you please confirm into the chat box? I need 4 to 5% has to be done this part. Mansi is telling done. Cool. Ashwini done. Okay. Cool. Cool. Good. Do you need 30-second time if someone is still doing? Can I give a 30-second time? Yes, no. If no, then also I will give, because otherwise one of the student will complain me, sir, I was little bit slow. Okay. So I'm giving a 30-second explicitly time for someone who is running little bit late or whose internet is little bit slow. Okay. Cool. And guys, ask the question in between this duration, please. No, all good?
Yes, sir.
Nice. Okay. Now, one of the approach is like mobile stream, local software is up and running. And I hope we have already created the playground also. If not, I will help you out at the tomorrow class. Okay. I would like to go directly into the better approach or best approach, which we have to use it. You can go to any of the cloud provider and create a virtual machine. Okay. Yep, time is up. Can I get the confirmation from everyone that everyone has done that part?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Cool. Okay. Now I'm coming to the actual approach. This is a local approach, okay, which you can learn the basic thing. But now you want to come into advanced, because our target is 15, 20, 30 LPA package. Okay. If you will say that I'm learning the mobile stream, that's not a good answer. You have to always say that you are using the cloud provider's virtual machine and you are using that. Now I'm going to the Google Cloud account. Okay. And I will create a machine there, and then we will learn all the Linux into that place itself. Okay. This is my Google Cloud. I will help you out how to create an account. As soon as we will create an account, I will suggest you to create a bookmark. As soon as you will bookmark it, or you will go to the console.cloud.google.com, you will be landed into the Google Cloud homepage. This is the Google Cloud homepage where all the Google related information is visible here. Means I'm working into the project March 22 paid. This is my project name is showing here. This is my project number. This number will be always unique. This number is always unique. Why this is unique? Because this name can be same for your project, my project, or anyone else project also. But this number is always unique. Whatever the number of projects are available into the Google Cloud, if you want a support from the Google Cloud people, you can give this number and you can ask the support with them as well. Okay. This is ID. It can be very similar with the project name and project ID as well. Okay. But this is also kind of unique. If one person get this ID, another person cannot get the same ID. Okay. It's a portable edition. Okay. Use the portable edition, please. Okay. Someone asked into the chat box. Guys, if someone asked yeah, good. Thank you, Mansi. If someone asked the question, you can give the answer into the chat box as well, please. Okay, cool. And in this homepage, whatever the resources I will use, every resource or every cloud resources is connected with the API. What is API? API.
Programming interface.
Application programming interface means I am connecting to the another application. See, first I came to the Google Cloud. Inside a Google Cloud, so many services are available, right? So many different services are there. Out of from the Google Cloud, which service I am accessing it, that is with the help of API. Okay. Now right now I'm into the Google Cloud, but in the Google Cloud, I want to create a virtual machine. So I am accessing the virtual machine APIs. I'm just clicking it. Okay. But indirectly from the backend means what exactly is happening? I am accessing the virtual machine APIs. That's why this window or this homepage is coming in front of me. Agree? Everyone?
Yes.
Obviously, yes.
Yes,
Right?
sir.
Everyone? Right now, this is the home page of my virtual machine. Okay, the name is instance. The name is instance. Okay, I'm coming back and my requirement is I want to create a virtual machine into the Google Cloud. So this is my home page. You have to come into this place. If you are in the starting, you can create a bookmark for this URL also, so that you will not get confused for some days. Okay, now my requirement is virtual machine. I click on the create instance. As soon as I will click, one template will be open in front of me. I just fulfill this template with minimum 2 clicks and maximum can be 10-15 clicks. With the help of 2-3 clicks, I'm creating a machine today. In couple of days, we will explore this option. Okay, so I want someone name. Any one of you, please tell me your name. Your name.
Shubh.
Shubh. SHUBH. SHUBH. Okay, I'm creating a machine with the name Shubh. This machine will be into the US region. This machine has a 0.25 to 32 GB CPU or 1 to 128 GB of memory. I can create in this category if I will choose this category. This is a default category, low cost day by day computing, means everyday uses. For lowest price, you can choose this category. The name is E2. No need to remember, but yes, this is the option. Okay, I'm coming down. I have a flexibility in the Google Cloud. I can choose any of the machine as per my requirement. It will be free of cost for the next 3 months. Okay, means in the AWS, there is a limitation that you have to use the free tier. Whatever AWS is telling this is free, you have to use it. But in the Google Cloud, there is no option like that. Everything is free of cost for the next 3 months. Okay, that is the biggest good part. Okay, and I'm choosing the 2 CPU, 1 core, 4 GB memory at this point. That is by default. If I will not choose this one, it will always come by default. Okay, I'm coming down. I would like to change the operating system here. I'm clicking on the change operating system, and I want you to give me the answer which one is the most popular operating system into the market.
Ubuntu.
Ubuntu, right? In your company also Ubuntu is getting used, right? Yes, no?
Middle we are using Linux.
You are using Linux, okay, but Ubuntu is the most popular, which most of the people are using it. I'm also creating the Ubuntu at this point. In next class or up classes, we will change the operating system also. Okay, so I'm choosing the Ubuntu UBUNTU. Okay, and as soon as I choose this, version 20 is getting used or has been selected. This is the most stable version available at this point. I want you to always use the stable version into any of the production environment or for the learning purpose as well. Whatever we will learn, I will try my best to choose the best practice. Okay, and he's telling that LTS version is the long-term support will be available. Now guys, how much size you want to give to the C drive or root drive? Tell me any number between 10 to 20.
18.
18. Okay, yep, I'm choosing the 18 GB size for my C drive, for my root drive. Cool? Are yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Everyone, all good
Yep.
till now? All good?
Yep.
All good, everyone? Okay, I'm
Yes.
not fast, I'm very slow. Okay, cool. I'm coming down, and I'm just selecting the traffic because I want internet should work into this machine and traffic should run. Okay, and as soon as I will click on create, my machine will be ready. What all changes I did, I will tell you again. I just given the name Shubh. Okay, rest default, everything default. I just changed the image or operating system to Ubuntu. Earlier it was 10 GB. I choose the 18 GB. This is my third click. Okay, and after that I allow the traffic, fourth click, and as soon as I will click on create on the fifth click, my virtual machine setup is done and it will be available in the next 30 to 40 seconds with me. Cool? All good?
Yes.
Can I
Yes.
expect
Yep.
from you guys also that your virtual machine will be ready?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, do you want to create?
No, not now. Okay, just see me. Okay, from tomorrow onwards, you can do the parallelly things. Okay.
Okay.
Today just listen me because today is around 60% theory or 40%. No, today 50-50. Okay, 50% theory, 50% practical. Now my machine is ready. 2 interview question will be get created from here. What is internal IP? What is external IP? Can you give me the answer?
External IP is the public IP.
Correct.
We can browse it with the help of browsers. Internal IP is meant for internally using inside the network.
Correct. Internally inside the network means Google Cloud or in the same VPC or inside the same Google Cloud, you can use with the help of the communication will happen with the help of internal IP. External IP, if you want an external connection outside the VPC, outside the cloud, outside the Google Cloud, you from any of the location, I'm from any of the location can connect to this machine. That is called external IP. Got it?
Yes.
Yes,
One
sir.
quick question, Vikas.
Go ahead.
Is this external IP static or it will change dynamically
It will
for
be
this?
changed dynamically. Okay, because if we want the external IP to be fixed IP, we have to purchase it. Okay, because this IP is not free of cost. If you will purchase the static IP for your use, means you are using an enterprise edition or batch services, so you have to purchase it as per your requirement. But this IP, if I will restart my machine, this IP will be get changed. Guys, this is one of the scenario-based interview question. Got it?
Yes.
Have you understood?
Yes.
Everyone understood the question or answer?
Sir, explain again.
Okay, I'm explaining again. Shanmuga, ask the question again, please.
So is this external IP a static one or a dynamically it will
Okay.
change?
Static means, guys, simple, it will be fixed. Okay. My answer is no, this external IP is not fixed at this point. I can fix it, but I have to purchase the static IP, then only it will get fixed. I have to purchase and I have to allocate into this machine, then only it will get fixed. I have a one practical into the AWS. I will do that in front of you guys. Okay. But at this point, this is a dynamic IP. It will get changed. If I will restart my machine, I will stop my machine and I will start it. The IP will get changed. This is one of the scenario-based interview question. Most of the time, interviewer will ask. Cool. Now, I have another question. Okay. If I will click, means I want to access this Shub machine. How can I access it? How can I connect to this machine?
By clicking on the SSH.
I clicked on SSH. Now, what all things are happening at the back end? Answer.
The SSH will validate the key with the help of private and public key with the port 22.
Correct. With the port number 22, the key is getting transferred and I will able to access the machine with the help of port number 22 or with the help of my public key and private key. Cool. And I have landed into the machine. Cool till now. This is Vikas, is the user who came into this machine. Shub is the machine name and I'm landed into this machine. Cool. All good.
Yes.
Everyone.
Yep.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If all good, chalo, let's see little bit theory and then we will come here. Means at this point in the last 5 minutes, what we did, we just created the Google Cloud virtual machine. Clear, right? In some couple of days, we will see AWS. If you want to learn the Azure also, you can create a Azure account also, and you can do it. But my suggestion, not after 1 month or after 2 months, you can do it. Okay, we have an entire life to learn the Azure as well. Okay, but my focus is primarily AWS, Google Cloud. So I will teach you this all things. Okay, playground. We will see in the tomorrow class. I don't want to give all the things in the same day. Okay, virtual machines is one of the another approach is also available with the help of VMware Oracle virtual machine. When I will teach you explicitly the virtual machines, I will create this in front of you. Okay, now out of the popularity, okay, Ubuntu is the highest popularity as compared to any of the operating system into the Linux, and Ubuntu is the most popular. Most of the company's servers are getting used. Out of this many, guys, I would like to know from you which operating system name you have heard or which one is using in your company, so that we can conclude the thing that which one is getting used in the companies. Please.
Company
Ubuntu.
not sure. Fedora I have used.
Fedora, you
And
have used
Ubuntu. Yeah.
Fedora, Ubuntu, okay.
Yeah.
CentOS. CentOS. Guys, the answer, I got the answer which I have supposed to get it. Ubuntu, Fedora, and CentOS. These are the primary operating system available into the market, into the servers, into the Linux family. I'm not talking about the Unix, okay? Don't give the Unix answer. I'm talking about the Linux family, okay? And these are the primarily used into the Linux. Got it? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
In some couple of minutes, I'm coming to Unix also. Okay, but at this point, my focus is Linux. Okay, and these are the Linux flavors available into the market. Cool. So you just have to remember the name Ubuntu, Fedora, Mint is also okay, and CentOS. That's it. Cool. Now I'm coming to the distribution of Linux. Linux has been distributed into majorly 4 parts. Enterprise Edition, okay, which I will call as a Unix. Linux Enterprise Edition, most of the time we will call as a Unix, okay. Earlier, till now, I was talking about the Linux is free, but I'm changing my word. Linux has an Enterprise Edition also, okay. Means you will get a support, you will get a help in by using the Linux as well. Who will provide that help or support? Which
Red Hat.
Red Hat.
Okay, Red Hat is the organization who will send the license, who will sell the license, and if required, if you need help, they will help you out. That is called Red Hat Linux. Okay, sir, what will happen with this? Who will support?
Community.
Community, right?
Yes, community will support. Okay, good, very good answer. Okay, now Fedora is also one of the flavor, Debian is also one of the flavor, and in the another category, some SUSE Linux Enterprise are also available. In the Debian, we can say open source softwares are also available. Okay, Fedora, Red Hat sponsored operating system that is called Fedora is also available. Again, this all operating system, I don't want to go all, Ubuntu is coming into the Debian family. Okay, because here I am writing open source and open source is Ubuntu. Clear? Means Ubuntu will come into this category. My Unix server will come into this category. Some CentOS will come into this category. Okay, because if it's sponsored by if it's sponsored by the Red Hat or wherever the Red Hat will be available, you can understand that it can be an enterprise edition software as well, or application or operating system as well. Make sense? Yes or no? Or let us assume I created any of the operating system or kernel that will come into this category. Cool?
Yes, correct.
Yes.
Cool. Thank you. Now let's come to the difference between Unix and Linux, because some people are very confused till now. That's why I was parking till last. Guys, all good till now? Because now one more new thing will come and you will get more confused. Till now, all good?
Yes.
Hello.
Go ahead. Go ahead, Paswa.
Yeah, that Red Hat is like it's not a open source, huh?
See, it is a it is developed by the organization. Okay, there may be chances some part of the app operating system or some operating system may be free. Okay, but primarily it's a commercial license. Wherever the Red Hat will come, na, Red Hat is completely straightforward, a commercial one. Okay, we have to purchase the license. I will show you guys. Okay, when we will create a at this point, I created it. Okay, this machine, but I haven't get any license option. Correct? Because it was free. Agree?
Yes, yes.
When I will choose the Red Hat, you will get one more option that Linux, you have to purchase the license or not. I will do it in the tomorrow class. You can ask this question. When I was creating a machine, I will create a Red Hat. Okay, so that option will come in front of you. Cool. Okay. Now I'm
And
going.
one more thing, like you have mentioned servers and workstations.
Correct.
Commercial Linux distribution intended for servers and workstations.
Correct.
So what is the difference between that servers and workstations?
Workstation means you can say that in a better word, laptop is also workstation. Okay. Right. This is my workstation from where I am giving the training to you. Correct.
Yes.
So means it's a way of talking. That's it. It's a laptop. Simple. Okay. Better word for the laptop. Okay. Better word where you are, where your all the setup is available. That's it. Okay. Cool. Yeah. Now I would like to go into the part which is Linux and Unix. Unix is a multi-user operating system. Even in Linux also we can do it, but they are telling like that. Okay. It's not a free to use. You can't use Unix free. Okay. And it's not an open source also. Means you will not able to see the code of Unix into the GitHub or any other place. Okay. It has been developed in 1969. Yes. Can you think 30 years in 2000 and 20 years means around 52 years old operating system that is called Unix. Yes or no? Double of our age, right? Yes, no?
Yep.
Yes.
It has been developed by Ken Thomas in AT&T lab. This operating system Unix has been developed into the lab by the Ken Thompson and team. Okay, it is widely used into the servers, workstation, and so many different places. I'm coming to the Linux. Linux is open source, freely available, multitasking, multi-user operating system. Initially, or in the starting, it has been developed in 1991 by the Linus Torvalds person. Okay, this is the person. I don't want to go into unofficial thing, but This person was working into the Unix, and then he get an idea. He created his own operating system that is called Linux. Okay, and the Linux has been came in 1991. Got it? Linux is the operating system widely used in desktop mobile workstation as well. Okay, Linux and Unix both are very similar, but both are not same. Okay, you can call as Unix is similar to the Linux. Getting my point? You can say, don't say that first Linux came and then Unix. No, Linux can be similar with Unix. Don't say Unix is similar with Linux. No, first Unix came and then Linux came. So you can say that Linux is similar to the Unix. Got it?
Yep.
Because there may be chances in the interview for the fresher, interview will confuse you. Who came first? Right? Like that, be very straightforward. Agree? If you get confused, read my this point one more time. I will give this PPT and the answer will be very clear for you. Cool? Yes, no.
Yep.
Cool. Thank you. Okay. Because see, I want you to read the PPTs. Okay. So that it will be very, very helpful for you. You will able to give the better answers. Okay? Now I'm comparing the Linux and Unix. Okay. Most of the comparisons are very similar. The primary is it's a license, it's a open source. Okay. But if you will go little bit inside it, so many, see, both has a desktop version, both have a KDE, both has a GUI, and so many different varieties of things are available. Okay. File extension, Linux support this many varieties of file section. If I will say the name, you will not able to remember it, so I'm not saying the name also. Okay, but this one supported by Linux, this one supported by Unix. Linux is free, Unix is licensed version. Okay, Linux is open source, Unix is developed into the lab. Okay, first Unix came and the Linux came into the picture. Both has a shell. Important point. Both has a shell. What is shell? This black terminal, right? This is black terminal, correct? Yes or no? Where I will run the commands.
Yes.
Okay. Both has this type of terminal option. Both has a GUI option. Okay. And yeah, we will call Linux into a Debian family also. Okay. And some example of Linux is Ubuntu, Debian, GNU, ARC, Linux, etc. In the Unix, Solaris. Whenever you will see Sun Solaris or Sun operating system, okay, or Unix keyword, AIX, HP, wherever the company name you will see HP, Sun, Solaris, okay, you can understand that it is a part of Unix. Getting my point?
Yes.
Okay. In simple word, unofficial thing I'm telling, Linux came, someone adds some more features and telling that I will support this. Like take an example for HP, ABC company, anything. Okay. They are telling that we will support it, we will help you out, and we are selling with the help of license. And they are selling as a Unix. Got it? Yes or no? You have a full flexibility. Guys, listen my point one more time. You have a full flexibility. You can download the code of Linux. You can customize it. You can give your own name and you can sell it again on the license version. That is also possible. And some company already did it. Cool? Yes, no.
Yes, sir.
Okay, everyone, all good till now?
Yes.
Yes.
Now I would like to come into the technical part. What till now we are learning the theory. Now I am coming into the technical part, practical part. I would like to give a 2-minute time break. Go for bio break wherever you want to go. Okay. If you are feeling sleepy or whatever it is, I don't think so you will feel sleepy, but wash your face and come back again in the next 2 minutes so that we will go into the technical part. Cool? Yes, no.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. 2 minutes, 30 seconds. Please, everyone, fast. So that we will give the full focus into the practical things. Guys, time is up. I'm back. I hope everyone is back. Just confirm me, please. Hassan is telling yes. Everyone.
Yes.
2,
Yes.
3. One more. Cool. Good. Okay. Now, I would like to explain you the file structure, and it is similar into the Linux and Unix both. Okay. File structure means where the files of the operating system will be available. Okay. This is my black terminal, and I am opening parallelly a Windows operating system as well. Okay. Windows operating system. In this Windows, I'm talking about this thing. Okay. C drive. Can you please let me know what is C drive in the Windows?
Primary partition.
Primary partition. Okay. Any other answer?
Root user,
Root user. Better answer. Okay. Any other answer?
home directory,
Directory. Okay. Yeah, it's a directory. Okay. Any other better answer? Answers are correct, but I'm waiting for the correct answer or absolutely accurate answer. Go ahead.
So what is the question?
The question is, what is C drive?
What is?
C drive in Windows.
In which all the program files are stored.
It's a
Okay.
hard disk partition.
It's one of the partition of hard disks where primary part or operating system related components will be available into this place. Correct? And my application will be get installed into the C drive. That's a best practice. Cool. Same on the another side, when I'm talking about Linux, right now I'm opening the Linux. In the Linux, at this point, the tilde sign is coming. One of the interview question, what is this tilde sign? Guys, answer.
home location.
It is a home location of Vikas user. Correct? This is
Yeah.
a home location of the Vikas user. Now, I would like to go into the root location of the root user. So I am running the very first command sudo -i. Okay. Sudo -i, and I will become the root user. Okay. Now I become the root user, but I am still into the home location of the root user. Agree? Guys, I hope you are able to see my screen, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Cool. Okay. I'm into the home location of the root user, but my requirement is I would like to go into the root location. In this image, I told root location is /location. Okay. So I'm going into the /location. Can anyone give me the command? How can I go to the /location or root location?
CD \.
CD/. Guys, the intention of asking the question with you is you will able to remember the things. Agree? Or other person, if then no, he will listen it properly and he will remember the thing. Agree?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So if you see, let's assume you are on mute, but at least give the answer. At least talk with me on the mute itself. Okay. Because I can't say that 40% or 30% unmute everyone. No, that's not good. At least unmute and write into the chat box, or without unmute also you can give the answer. Okay. CD/ is the root location of my root user. Got it?
Yes.
Now I am typing the ls command. With the help of ls command, all the thing will be shown into the list format. Means whatever is available into this location, it will be visible for me. And as soon as I press enter, yes, I am able to see some detail. Means this type of files are available in my root location. Okay. And this is very similar to this thing. Okay. Now I would like to say that this and this is 100% same. Sorry. What I would like to say that this and this is very same. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. This is the C drive of Windows. This is the C drive of Linux. Cool. Okay. Now, after that, root. What is root? If I will ask the question, what is root?
Super user.
It's a super user. How to connect to the super user? With the help of sudo -i command. Okay. Cool. What is etc location? Here somewhere etc is showing. Yes. Here etc is showing. What is etc?
Directory.
System files are the system.
Not a good answer. Chalo.
Hidden files.
No, yeah. Chalo, I will ask the Windows question. Okay, then I will teach the Linux. What is this Windows folder?
All
Answer.
the configuration files are there.
All the Windows configurations file will be available here related to operating system. Correct? Cool. What is this user folder?
List of
Whoever
users.
logins to the system, those IDs will be there.
Super. Good answer. Pandit, repeat it. Good answer. Yes, repeat.
List of users who logged in their computers.
Correct. Whoever has the access, whoever has logged in my machine, that user information will be available here. Guys, agree? Correct? What is this program file? What is this program file? This two program file. What is the difference?
All the programs installed.
Whatever the software has been installed in my machine, it will be available
Yes.
into this folders. Correct. What is
Yes.
the difference between 86 or normal?
32-bit, 64-bit.
One is 64, this one is 32-bit, this one is 64-bit. Whatever the softwares I am installing which are 64-bit, it will go into this folder. Whatever is 32-bit, it will go into this place. Okay. What is bin folder?
Executable files will be getting stored
Correct.
into that.
Binary, all the binary files can be kept into this folder. What is this BIOS folder? BIOS related things will be available here. Simple.
BIOS
Right?
settings.
BIOS settings or BIOS related or files will be available into this place. Correct. This is my Windows. Yes or no?
Yes.
Same thing. Whatever the things are available, same thing is available in Linux also. This all files. Let me close it. Okay. ls. I run the ls command and this all files are available here. Root, primarily super user. With the help of sudo -i command, we can go it. etc. System configurations files are available like Windows. In whatever in the C drive Windows are available, Windows operating system level things are there. etc. System configurations files are available into the Linux machine. Bin. This folder bin. What is bin? Any idea? Binaries. What is binary? Binary files?
All the commands files are over there.
No. No. Bin binary files.
Executable files.
Correct.
.exe.
Correct. Executable file which can be executable or ready to run it. Okay. Guys, in today's class, I run one binary file. Which one?
Mobile Extreme.
Mobile Extreme, right? I haven't installed it. I just click on it and it worked. Ready to run. Okay. And that is called a binary file. Super. User. What is user location? It's available in Windows or it's available in Linux also. What is this user? Answer. You can.
User will be able to access the server.
This is I connected with the root user, but before that I had logged in as a Vikas user. So Vikas information where it is, Vikas user will be available into this user folder. Got it? If I will give the access to you also, anyone ABC person user will be available or user related information will be available into the user folder. That's it. It happens into the Windows also, nothing new. Okay. In my user folder, whatever the people has logged in my machine, it will be visible into this place. That's it. Okay. Very similar to the Windows. No difference. Temp. From the keyword, temporary files. Correct? Temporary files. Whatever the temporary files are there, if any of the operation is happening, is this temp or temporary files are available in Windows also?
Yes.
Yes.
Where? Give me the location.
Temp folder.
Temp folder. Yes. Windows also has a temp folder. What will happen in that temp folder? Same thing will happen into the Linux temp folder also. Okay. But the good thing is, no, not good thing, but as a practice, if we want to perform any activity which we are not sure, we want to do some temporary activity, we explicitly go to the /temp location. How to go? cd /tmp. Okay. I'm explicitly going into this folder tmp. I'm here and I can do some temporary operations into this place. In the real time, we are doing this type of activity. If someone will tell you, you are not sure to do some activity, or you want to keep some script or some temporary script, which for one day or one time run, or you have to download something for temporary time, you can come into this location and you can do it. This is also one of the interview question. Got it? Yes, no.
Yes.
Yes, sir, got it.
Cool. Now I'm coming to the dev. The last file is dev file. What do you mean by dev file? Any idea?
Some device drivers get stored into that.
Device files or C drive program files, we can say in simple. Okay, all the programs or software has been installed. It will be available into this like C program files. Got it?
Yes.
Okay. So what, as a small homework, go to cd/location and just spend 5 minute time. That's it. Nothing else. Okay. Cool. This is a file system or file structure of the Linux. Okay. Which is very similar to the Windows.
Are the commands case sensitive?
Commands are case sensitive. If it's a capital, capital. Okay. If it's a small, small. Okay. But if you will see right now, I just told this thing, which you have to remember it. Guys, this you have to remember it. This you don't have to remember it. You just have to read one time. Your level will be up. Okay. Because I'm 100% sure we can't remember everything, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
We can't remember it. If I will explain you also, within 2-3 days, you will forget it. So I divided the thing. You have to remember this part, which is important. You can read this. It will be helpful for you. No one is going to ask any question with this. Okay. But for your better understanding, if you want your roots will be very strong into the Linux, then just read it. I'm 100% sure we can't remember it. Just read it. Cool. Yep.
Yes.
Chal. Now I'm coming to the actual part of our learning. Okay. Because Linux is completely a commands. We have to run the commands, then only we will able to achieve it. My first command, hostname. Any idea? No idea? No.
The host name of the machine.
Host name of the machine. Chal. Okay. Guys, this is my Windows terminal, correct? Command prompt.
Yes.
Okay. If you are silent, means you don't know the Windows host commands also. Do you think that this, whatever the command I'm teaching, it will work in Windows also? What do you say?
Yes.
Yep.
Yes, it will work.
Yes, it will work. Okay. Whatever the Linux commands are there, some command can work into the Windows as well. That's a truth. Okay. So I'm running the hostname command HOST-NAME. And as soon as I press enter, my machine name is DevOps. So it is showing here. Okay. I'm running the hostname command here, HOST-NAME. And you can able to see that Shub is my machine name. It is showing here. Cool.
Yes.
Commands are same, means whatever I'm teaching in Linux, you can try or you can understand the Windows also. If you know the Windows command, it will be helpful for you to understand the Linux also. Okay, cool. Now second command, hostname -i, hostname -i. And as soon as I press enter, what will happen? IP came. Which IP came? Which IP came?
Machine IP.
Internal machine.
Correct. One girl was giving the correct answer. This is internal IP. Guys, in your company, if any IP is getting start with 10, understand that it's internal IP. Okay, simple trick. Got it? Because in our company also hundreds of IPs are there, we will not able to understand anything. Okay, so just simple trick. Start with 10, it's internal IP. That's it. Okay, now this is internal IP. Okay, can we verify this? 10.128. Yes, we can verify everything. 10.128. Yes, 10.128 internal IP. Cool. I want to see the external IP of my laptop. Tell me the answer. This is my Windows machine. I want to see the external IP of this machine.
What is my IP address?
What is my IP address? We have to go to the Google. We have to check into the internet. Correct?
Yes.
Yes.
Acceptable answer. Okay, acceptable. The answer is correct. I'm giving you also one command. Okay, if config.me is a website. Okay, if you will go here, you will able to see your external IP or external information in your browser into the Windows. I'm giving you this command. This is not command, it's a website. Okay, you can go into this website and check it your external IP. Got it?
Yes.
Able to run? Guys, yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
One of the simplest networking question. Okay, how to find out the external IP? Sir, go into this website and found it. Okay, now I would like to check the IP of my Linux machine. So it is a website. I'm running the curl command so that it will go into the website and publish the detail to me. So what I'm doing it, I'm running the curl or I'm running the command curl. Okay, curl ifconfig.me. This website will work into Windows and Linux because this is website, right? It will be similar in every platform. Agree?
Agree.
Right?
Yes.
And as soon as I press enter, you will able to see that I'm getting one IP 34.66.194. Where exactly it is? How can I verify? 34.66.194. This is external IP is coming, and this is the external IP of my Windows machine as well. Cool. Fine. Till now, all good. Digestible. 4 commands. 3 commands. Sorry.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
You could.
Now I'm coming to the mute. I'm coming to the next command, uname. Okay, uname, and as soon as I press enter, it is saying that I'm a Linux. Okay, is this information complete? No, I want more information. So I'm typing -a after that. And as soon as I press enter, I'm getting little bit more information. What is more information is coming? This is, let me make a full screen. Okay. Yeah. This is telling this is Linux machine. The name of the machine is Shubh. 5.15 on the Google Cloud virtual machine is the version 5.55, means it is a virtual machine version. And this is a operating system version. Guys, getting my point? This is Google Cloud virtual machine version. This is my operating system Ubuntu version. It has been created on this time, and this is the time of the UTC it is funding. It is 64-bit and GNU Linux is available. Same thing. Okay. With the help of uname-a command, you can able to get it. As a homework, go to your machine, go to your office computer, office server, run this command and get to know about your office server. Correct? And tomorrow give me the answer in your company, which server you guys are using it. Cool? Yep. Everyone.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Okay. Now I'm coming to the next command, ls. With the help of ls command, yes, listing whatever the files are available in this location, it will be visible to me. In Windows, how to create a file, how to create a folder? How to create a folder in Windows?
Right click.
On new folder.
I can right click and I can click on new and I can create a folder. Okay. And anyone tell me your name, please? Anyone?
Rahul.
Rahul. Okay. I'm creating a Rahul folder. I created a Rahul folder in my Windows. Now I want to create a same folder into my Linux machine with the name Rahul. Command.
MKDIR.
mkdir rhul and my Rahul folder will be get created. With the help of ls, I can see that Rahul folder has been created. Now I want to go inside this folder, cd rahul Rahul, and I will be inside the Rahul folder. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
If I want to check where I am running the command pwd, present working directory. And as soon as I press enter, I get to know that I'm into the root location of temp and the Rahul folder. Means with the help of pwd command, I'm able to see that this is my location of, this is my current location, simple. Okay, or present working directory. Got it?
Yes.
All good, digestible till now?
Yes, sir.
Cool, thank you. Now I'm going more deeper into it. Okay. pwd cd, we have already seen change directory. We have already created a folder mkdir. I'm not coming this command. Okay, I'm coming to the touch. We will see in the tomorrow class. Okay, touch. My requirement is right now I've created one folder, right? Rahul is a folder. Now my requirement is I want to create a file. How to create a file?
Touch file.
Everyone
Touch.
aware about it?
Yes.
No, only one or two voices are coming. Okay, how to
Yes.
create a file? We can run the command touch touch and tell me any of your name, please. Your name, please. Anyone?
Mansi.
Mansi. MANSI. So what will happen? One file has been created with the name Mansi ls, and you will able to see Rahul is a folder, Mansi is a file. There is a difference, right? Just no.
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool. Now, whatever has been written into this, someone has written the cat command. Okay. Rizwan, what you want to say with the cat command as well? With the help of cat command, we can create a file. That answer is wrong. Guys, what is cat command? Tell me, cat.
When we opening the file.
When we want to read what is written into, wait. When we want to read what is written into this file with the help of cat command, we can able to see. Okay. At this point, none of the responses coming means my file has empty file. Nothing is available. So another answer is with the help of touch command, I can create an empty file. Cool. Next question. Okay. Next thing. I would like to write something into this Mansi file. How can I write it?
VI command.
VI command.
Good. Okay. Rahul, I'm creating one file. Okay. I'm doing the same activity in Windows also. So any fresher who don't know anything, he will able to understand. Okay. I created a Mansi file. Okay. Now Mansi is an empty file, right? Nothing is written into this. And here also Mansi is empty file. Now I want to write something inside it. So what I have to do in Windows? I have to double click it. With the help of some software, it will get open. Correct? This is called editor. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Notepad is the editor. With the help of Notepad, I have opened one file. Same thing I will do into the Linux also. Okay. Linux has a VI editor. Similar to Notepad, we have a VI editor. I will take a separate class on the VI. You don't have to worry. Okay. But at this point, VI is just the editor and I'm opening a Mansi file. Okay. And I'm going inside it. I can write anything. This is my first day of Linux. Okay. I just written it and I'm saving it. Now it's a tricky part, guys. Okay. If you don't know, if you are very first day, definitely it's a little bit tricky part. You have to type escape. Right now I'm into the insert mode. Insert means I can type anything inside it. As soon as I type escape, insert mode has been finished and I'm into the command mode. Double column WQ. W means save and Q means quiet and I will be out. As soon as I will type escape, double column WQ and enter, file will be saved and I will be out. I will take a separate session. No need to worry. Okay. But at this point, what I did, I write something inside the file and then I came out. Agree?
Agree.
Got it.
Right?
Yeah.
Guys, if you don't know whatever the command or insert mode I'm talking now, it is available in Windows also. Okay, that is available in Windows also. Okay, there may be chances we have not utilized it, but that all options are available into the Windows as well. Okay, now my question, my simple interview question, I would like to see what is written into this Mansi file, how to read it with the help of cat, with the help of cat command, cat man Mansi,
With the help of VI.
VI is the editor. With the help of editor, again it will go into the reading mode. Again it will go into the write mode. My requirement is I just want to read it.
But for the write mode, we have to on it edit mode, right? Else we can read. I have to press the escape and
Okay. See, sir, I want to go for what we can say, to bring something milk from the half an kilometer. I can go with Activa also. I can go with car. I can go with bus also, right? Yes or no? Yes, no. Tell me, guys. If I have to go for half kilometer
Yep.
just to bring the milk or biscuit, I can go with Activa also. I can go with car also. I can go with bus also. So this is
Yes.
your choice. On the right place, you have to use the right activity. Correct? So this is just simple. I want to read it. So with the help of cat command, I can read it. I can open into the VI editor and I can run 5 commands and I can read it. That is also possible. But this is simplest. Make sense? Tanzum, I think you are agree with my point, right? We can do. This is correct answer, but my requirement is simple. I want to read it. So with the help of cat command, I can read it. That's it. Now, yep, I just open the file. I just write it and I just read it. Okay. Now, chalo, whatever the commands I have learned in the last 10-15 minutes. Okay, I want to see all the commands. I have a one command to see all the commands that is called history history command. And with the help of history, it is saying that I run 20 commands at this point in the last couple of 5, 10, 15 minutes. Agree?
Agree.
Right? We have
Yep.
learned the 20 commands. Out of 20 guys or out of 10 commands, let me know which command you haven't understood. Please let me know. Any command which you haven't understood, sir, I haven't understood the touch command, PWD command, ls command, all good?
Yes, sir.
Let's assume you haven't understood any command. Okay. Let's assume you haven't understood the PWD command. So I'm giving you one more command. The command is man. Man means manual. Okay. And just remember this command. If you forgot all the command, that is also fine. Remember the command man and PWD so that what will happen? Whatever the
To show
information.
what that command will do.
Correct. What this command PW will do, the theory will be written in front of us. MN PWD, it is telling that print the name of the current working directory. Means it will give, Linux will itself will give the information to you that this is this command. Okay. How to come out from this? You can just type Q and you will be come out from that command. Cool, digestible.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Let's go more deeper into it. Okay. Yes, out of this, I left some command, okay, which I will take in the tomorrow class. Okay. Who am I? The next command is who am I? I'm just running this command. Let's see what the output will come. Okay. WHO who am I. Okay. And I'm pressing enter. And I get to know that this all activity is happening with the help of root user. So who am I? I am root. He is telling I am root. Now I have a simple troubleshooting interview questions which I am going to discuss, or troubleshooting commands I am going to discuss in the next 5-10 minutes. Okay. I have a very simple question. In my Windows, I would like to know when my machine has been restarted. Can you please let me know how can I check when I restarted my machine, or when this Windows machine has been restarted? No, Vinod, no. I know you are my oldest friend. Anyone else? Anyone else? Guys, someone will ask the Windows question, when my machine has been restarted, how you will give the answer? Experienced person here who is asking 10 lakh, 20 lakh LPA. Windows simple interview question.
In the performance tab, we will get uptime actually.
Where in the performance, where I will get the time?
Just a second. In a CPU, just try to scroll down.
Good. In the CPU, I get to know that my machine has been running from the last 13 hours. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes.
I'm 100% sure out of 35 people, 1 or 2 or 3% knows this answer. Correct? Agree?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. So in simple short, what I want to say that you have to understand the Windows. If you understood the Windows, you will learn the Linux also. Okay. So what I want to say in short, if I'm teaching the Linux server administration activities, if you want, you can write the Windows server administration activities also in your resume. Agree?
Yep.
Yes, sir.
From
Yes.
today, I'm teaching Linux, but you can compare with Windows and you can write the Windows also. Agree? Yes or no? All
Yes,
good?
sir.
Cool.
Yeah.
Please, everyone. Okay. Means be in a mindset that you have to learn here. That's it. Okay. Cool. Now I have created what I see. I forgot it. Yeah. How to check when the Windows machine has been restarted. Now I want to check the same thing into the Linux. What is the command?
Uptime.
Yes. Uptime is a command. With the help of uptime, it is telling that from the last 44 minutes, this machine was up and running. One user has been logged in. This is the average load is happening at this point, and this is the current time of my machine. When I created the machine into the US, so UTC time is coming here. Okay. Means in simple short, 44 minutes, my machine has been created. Now, I have a scenario-based question here. Okay. Everyone listen it very carefully. What is the use case when we have to run this command? When we have seen this command, what is the use case? Give me the answer. No,
When
we
the
don't know.
server
Arre,
is
no, yeah, we don't know. I know you know the answer. Anyone else? Anyone else?
During any of the batching activity.
Okay, correct. Hari is also my last batch student. He knows. He learned with me. Correct, Hari? You are my challenge student. Correct?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay. Anyone else? Anyone else? Guys, give the complete answer, please. Not my old student. New students, yeah.
So what is the question again? Can you repeat?
Chalo. My question is, what is the use case of running this uptime command? Why we are checking this? In Windows, we never see this time, right? We never see. Okay, but in the Linux, what is the use case? Why we have to see this time, this thing?
like if we are running in any like cloud computing, so that time we need to check the time.
Okay, but not a very, very good answer. Okay, answer.
Troubleshooting, we can give a information, right? Like if something goes wrong, we can want to check the machine timing, then this can be used.
Chalo. Okay, I accepted this Ashwini answer. Chalo, I will correlate this answer, okay? So that you will able to remember it. Okay. This is my website, www.clouddevopshub.com, correct? Yes or no? Let's assume by any reason this website goes down. Are I agree? Yes or no? Let's assume that by any reason this website goes down. There can be two varieties of problem, either a infrastructure problem or application problem. My website is not working or my server itself is not working. Correct?
Yes.
right? So first, my server is working or not. If my server restarted or not, how can I check it? I can run the uptime command and I will get to know the answer that, okay, my server itself has been restarted. Then I will troubleshoot on the server side, not on the application side. Correct? I will pull the infrastructure team or operation team and I will find out the answer that why my machine has been restarted. Application is working perfectly, so I will not go to the developer. Correct? Yes, no.
Yes.
That time, if let assume my machine was up and running perfectly from the last 10 days, means it's not an infra problem, it's an application problem. Then I will go to the application team, developers, DevOps team, and they will find out the answer. Simple. Getting my point? This is the use case of this command. Anytime when we do the patching activity, when the machine has been restarted, your manager or your client say that every week or every month we have to restart the machine. Have all the machine has been restarted or not? We can run this command and we can check it. Just no.
Yes,
Yep.
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir, got it.
Remember this. This is also one of the interview questions. Okay. For the Linux people. Okay. Or in the Linux, it has been asked. Cool. Now, okay. Chalo. Let's see some more minor commands. Okay. In the today's session, because in one day I don't want to throw everything on you. Okay. Simple command. This is my what in this Windows. This is my task manager, right? In the task manager, this is my CPU. This is my memory. This is my Wi-Fi, Ethernet. All this information are showing here. Okay. I would like to check the same thing in my Linux machine. Any command? Any idea? Any command? Who can give me these informations?
Top.
Yep. We have a top command in Linux. The command is top top. As soon as I press enter, yes, I will get to know that this is the time this machine is running from the 49 minute. One user has been logged in. Is this very similar to Linux, Windows? Yes, one user has been logged in here. Here also one user has been logged in. Average load, how much it is consuming, how many total tasks are there in this also. This many other total task processes are there. Out of that, which one is consuming high, it will be showing here. It is run real-time data is coming here. Here also the real-time data is coming here. Which one is consuming how much? Okay, as well as my CPU, my memory related information is also showing with the help of top command. So my task manager related information in Linux with the help of top command. Cool. Yes, no. All digestible till now?
Yes,
Yep.
sir.
Okay. We will take 5 more commands and we will create a Google Cloud account. Okay. All guys, if it's enough, we can park it here and from tomorrow we will continue here. What do you say? 5 more commands or that's it for today? Because we have to create a Google Cloud account, it will take 15-20 minutes.
Enough for.
We'll create accounts.
Enough, sir. We will create it.
Enough, right? Digestion is very important. Correct?
Yes,
So I
sir.
run the history command history and I will show that around 25 commands we have learned or we have run. I have run in front of you. So this is the list of 25 commands. I want you all to create it, to run it. Agree? Yes, no. If you will run this 20 commands or 25 commands by today, your 20 commands will be parked and new 20 commands or 40 commands will come in tomorrow class. Okay. If you will not do today, tomorrow it will be 50-60 commands for you. Okay. So copy this in your notepad. I will give all this PPT, everything into the LMS system. You don't have to worry. Okay. But copy this in your notepad. Type it. Don't copy paste, please. Okay. So a small request, type it because you are learning here. If you will copy paste, if I will ask the question, what is history command, you will don't know. Correct? Because this is my past experience. I give student has copy pasted. He run all the command, but he don't know what command he run. Agree? So 20-minute homework, run this 20 commands. That's it for today. Good. Now, guys, I would like you to create a Google Cloud account, okay, in front of everyone. So everyone be ready. Parallelly, we all will create a Google Cloud account for you guys. Okay. So I'm just stopping this so that my Linux recording will be very clean. Okay. And I will give a separate recording for the Google Cloud account creation. Okay.